the difference between the financial statements of profit and not-for-profit organizations. The final accounts of the profit organizations are profit and loss account and balance sheet. Profit and loss account and balance sheet. Here you have receipts and payments, you have income and expenditure, and we have a balance sheet. The profit and loss account and the balance sheet, or the final accounts of a profit organization, are prepared from a trial balance. What is a trial balance? A statement consisting of the debit and credit balances of all accounts. Debit and credit balances of all accounts. The debits consist of assets and expenses, and the credits usually consist of liabilities and incomes. The expenses on the expenses are debit balance, incomes are credit balance, and these are taken to the profit and loss account to arrive at profit or loss. And the assets debit balances in the trial balance, the liabilities, which are usually credit balances in the trial balance, these are taken to the balance sheet. In case of a not-for-profit organization, usually books are not maintained. In detail, ledger accounts may not be maintained, and what is prepared is a receipts and payments account, which is nothing but like a summary cash book. From this receipts and payments account, income and expenditure and balance sheet account is prepared. Here we did it from the trial balance, but in a not-for-profit organization, double entry complete system of bookkeeping may not be followed. Instead, we make a receipts and payments account, so we know the summary of all cash payments made and all cash receipts. Based on this, we prepare an income and expenditure account and a balance sheet. From the income and expenditure, we do not get profit loss. We get an excess of income, which is called surplus, or an excess of expenditure, which is called a deficit. This is taken adjusted against the capital fund or the general fund, just like profit or loss is adjusted against capital in the balance sheet. Balance sheet in both cases is more or less similar. It's a statement of assets and liabilities, a statement showing the financial position on a particular date. But a balance sheet of a profit organization has capital. In case of a not-for-profit organization, assets minus liabilities is a general fund and an accumulated fund. Of course, it may be noted that not-for-profit organizations which are registered under Section 8 of the Companies Act prepare their final accounts as per the provisions of the Companies Act.